Hi parents, just a quick message that all of my grades are in. So your students' ELA, humanities, and inquiry grades are all set for the end of first quarter. First quarter has officially ended. When we return from fall break, we will be starting second quarter. Please relay this information to your child. It's super important. I know some of us really struggled getting started with first quarter, and the beautiful thing about being on the quarter system is every quarter we're starting fresh. So right now, every single student, no matter how good or bad they did, started with a clean slate. So for my students who were absolute rock stars, tell them to hit the ground running and maintain that positive energy. For my students that struggled to get it figured out, but then figured it out in the end and maybe their grade isn't completely reflective because of the initial grades, tell them this is their chance to shine bright. I hope this helps. Please relay this message to your students. Check out their grades on Student View, and the explanation of the grades is in Google Classroom where the assignments are. And if you have any questions, please hit me up. Thanks. Bye.